Hello friends, welcome to the new vlog. We are in South Island of New Zealand and today we'll be traveling to the west coast. The name of the place is Hokitika and we'll be traveling from Christchurch. Hokitika is around 250 kilometers from Christchurch and takes around 3.5 hours to reach there. I took the State Highway 73 and currently passing through the Arthur Pass, which is the halfway to the Hokitika. We have reached Hokitika now. It's a small town and right next to the sea coast, which is the west coast as well. It's a small town with few restaurants and cafes and some fish and chip shops that you can enjoy with the beautiful view of the west coast. From here we'll be driving to the Hokitika Gorge, which is around 30 kilometers from Hokitika and takes around 30 minutes by road. Yeah, now we have reached to the car park and we saw a bird out here. This Hokitika Gorge walk, it's actually a small walk, takes around 15 to 20 minutes, and there are 3 different things that you can see it on this walk. First is the viewing platform where you can enjoy the swing bridge and the beautiful river, Hokitika river. And next the swing bridge, and the third one is the river edge. We are almost there at the first viewing point. You can see the drones are not allowed here, and from here you can see the swing bridge and the beautiful bluish green water. It's really beautiful. Friends, the track is nicely maintained over here. And one more thing, friends, this is the west coast and it always rains, so make sure you carry your rain jacket with you when you're traveling to the west coast. Now we are almost there at the swing bridge. As you can see, it actually swings when you walk on it. Friends, look at the milky blue water. It's breathtaking, isn't it? Amazing. I just enjoyed it while walking on this bridge. Though it was raining, I thought the water will be muddy, but no, it's still the same milky blue color. Now I'm heading to the next spot, and while walking you can see the same milky bluish water. And we have reached to the third point, which is the river edge, which has just got a platform as well to see, and you can go on that rock to have a beautiful view of the river. I'll be going down as well. To check out on that rock how it looks like. It's still raining, so I have to be a little bit careful while walking down here. In summer, people normally come and they do swimming in this water as well, but the views are breathtaking. Look at it. And that's the swing bridge, as you can see from that rock as well. I'm gonna head back to have a view from this platform. It's amazing. Now we are heading to the second spot, which is the Treetop walk. It's around 40 kilometers from the Hokitika Gorge, will take around 30 to 45 minutes to reach the Treetop walk. We are at the car park now, and that's the West Coast Treetop walk. It has got a beautiful cafe down here where you can get your tickets to the walk. If it's raining, you can borrow some umbrellas from here without any cost. Yeah. And the walk starts right from here. It's actually a good walk for a family and for kids as well, and you really enjoy walking down here. The track is nicely marked, and as you can see, I'm going to start walking on this steel walkway, which is actually 20 meters high and it's 450 meters long. It takes around 30 to 45 minutes if you're taking your own time while enjoying walking on the top of the trees, which is actually the rainforest. Friends, even though it's raining, the views are quite enjoyable over here, and I could see a tower, the spiral tower in front of me. Let's go on top of it to see the views. This spiral tower is 45 meters high, and from here you can see the top of the trees actually, and the steel walkway and the thick forest. The views are just amazing. So once you are here in Hokitika, make sure you enjoy this beautiful treetop walk. Yeah. So friends, do let me know how was the video, and if you haven't hit that subscribe button, please hit it now. It helps to grow my channel and keep the videos going. Thank you, and